Hello, everyone. Welcome back. A big thank you to those who joined me live this morning at 9. I truly appreciate you showing up. Now, again, you show up, so do I. And that is what makes the difference. Commitment is the key. And don't forget, join me live in Zoom. That's where you can ask your questions, interact, and get the most out of our sessions together. Now, let's talk about what today's lesson was about. We talked about the timeline of property possession. There is always a timeline, or in other words, a time limit associated with your possession of property. It stretches from now all the way to maybe possibly to forever. This timeline is important because it helps us figure out what type of estate you possess. That's how we categorize our freehold estates. Now, the types of freehold estates, we're going to talk about the typical freehold estates that we talked about in class. We mentioned the life estate. What is that? It gives the holder all the rights in the property, but only for the duration of a life. It could be their life or someone else's life. What about a fee simple? It grants the holder the greatest rights in property. Essentially, it could be an absolute ownership that can last possibly forever. And then we have some other type of fee simples that put some conditions on it. And then with those conditions, then that condition will determine how long the individual can have that property. What about tenancy for years? It allows the holder to possess the property for a specific fixed amount of time. Each of these carries different rights, different responsibilities, and they're on a different timeline. Now, remember, I am here to assist you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me if you're one of my students. And always, I'm going to be glad to help you succeed. And I hope you caught this today. When you show up live, you earn a few special perks. So you keep showing up because it's going to pay off. All right. Now that's it for the week. Till next time, I'm going to see you soon. And of course, I'm going to catch you live via Zoom. Take care, everybody. See you later. Bye bye.